Okay, so yesterday we learned a new letter. The letter's name is T. And the substitute in the room can hold up that card, T, with the tub on it. Because we can remember it. We can remember the letter T with the word tub. This letter says T like tub. Tub. So, before we remember how to write the letter T, let's do a quick practice. I'm going to say T and then some other sounds, and I want you to blend it all together. So I'm going to do it with my fingers, and I'll show you the first one. T, oast, toast. Let's see if you can do that. T, oast, toast. Now you try. T, oast, toast. Let's try this next one. T, op. T, op, top. And next. T, L. L, tell. Two more. T, I'm. T, I'm. Time. Last one. T, able. T, able. Table. Good job. Alright, now when we're writing the lowercase t, we start at the top line. We pull straight down to the baseline and we cross on that dash line. T says T. Start at the top line, pull straight down to the baseline, and cross on the dash line. T says T. We're going to do two more. I want you to skywrite them while I write them up here on the board. So, start at the top with your skywriting arm, nice and straight. Pull straight down to the baseline, stop there. Lift your pencil, go to the dash line, and cross, stop, lift. One more. Start at the top. Pull straight down, stop and lift. Go to the dash line and cross, stop, lift. T says T. Good job, boys and girls. The next thing we are going to need is our workbooks. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get my workbook. And we are going to open to page 45, where we have an T, another line of T's, and some pictures. So page 45, 45. You can pause the video, open your books to page 45, get a pencil and some crayons. So pause the video now. Okay, so now that you all are on page 45, we're going to get our pencils. And we are going to start by tracing. Remember birdie beaks, sitting up nice and tall, feet flat on the floor. Do your birdie beaks, trace 3 T's. And make 3 T's. If you want to make more, you can. Make sure that those T's are nice and tall. Circle your best ones. Then we're going to do our next set of T's. Trace the 3 T's. And start making them. Nice big finger spaces. So our work is nice and neat, and you can circle the ones that you think are your best. You can pause the video while everyone gets done and press play when everyone is ready. Alright, now that you've written your T's, we're going to look at the bottom section. It says, write the letter next to each picture that begins with the target sound. And the target sound is, up here, T, T, for T. Target sound is the letter T, so we're going to listen for the T, T. It starts with the T sound, like tub. Tub starts with that T sound. So we are going to hold our pencils in our birdie beaks. We're going to write a lowercase t, because tub starts with T. What about toothbrush? Does toothbrush start with a T sound? Yes, it does. Hold your pencil like your birdie beak. Sitting up nice and tall, feet up straight on the floor. Making your T, lowercase t. Okay. This is someone's mom. Someone's mom. Does mom start with a T? No, it does not, so we're going to leave that be. This is some of you might say frog. What's another name for a frog? A toad. Toad. Does toad start with T? Toad. Yes, it does. So we're going to write a lowercase t right next to it. This is a hand. Does hand start with T? Hand. No, it does not, so we leave that alone. And this last one, turkey. Does turkey start with T? Turkey. Yes, it does, so we are going to write a lowercase t. Okay. When you are done, we can turn the page to page 46. Ooh, we have D's and L's at the top, uppercase D's and uppercase L's. So we are going to trace the uppercase D, D says D. Trace the uppercase D, D says D. And we're going to try to make two on our own. Pull straight down first and lift, and then make sure it gets that belly going from the top all the way touch the top, and then come back to that base. Oh, my belly didn't sit on the base. Uh-oh. I'm going to try it again. Pull straight down, lift, go up to the top, touch the top, go around, touch the base, and come back in. That one's a little better. Still, I could work on that. D says D. Now our L's trace two. L says O. And make 2 or 3 of them. O. 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 We can circle our best ones. You can pause the video if we need some extra time. We're going to move to the next section. Point to the letter and say the sound. Circle the letter T. This letter is L. L says O. This letter is C. C says K. What is this letter? T. T says T. And we're supposed to circle the letter T. What letter is this? A. A says A. What letter is this? L. L says O. What letter is this? D. D says D. What letter is this? T. T says T. So we're going to circle that T. What letter is this? L. L says O. What letter is this? C. C says K. And what's this one? D. D says D. And our last one, what is that? T. T says T. And we're supposed to circle the letter T. T says T. Let's see if you can do this all on your own today. I will tell you what these pictures are, and then we are going to pause it and try to do it on our own. Circle the beginning sound that matches the picture. So the first sound you hear. This is a deer, carrot, table. This is a lemon. So I would look at our pictures and I think, what is that first sound? Is it a D or an A? So deer, D. I know that's a D. Starts with a D. And then you can go and do the next one. So we can pause the video now while you guys work on your next 3, and then we'll check our answers when you are done. Go ahead and pause now. Okay. This is a carrot. Carrot starts with K, K. What letter makes that sound? K, K. C. This is a table. Table starts with the letter D or T? T, T, T. This is a lemon. Does lemon start with L or D? Oh, lemon. Starts with an L. Awesome, boys and girls. We are done with grows for the day, so you can put your books away, put your pencils away. We ended up not using our crayons, so you don't need those anymore. You can put those away. And I will see you for our next lesson together. Have a wonderful day.